Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making some blackberry cobbler. This is pretty much like peach cobbler, but kind of different, you know? So let's get going.
For this recipe, we'll need 1 lemon, fresh blackberries, butter, milk, sugar, salt, AP flour, and baking powder. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix 852 grams of blackberries, 3/4 cups of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice until you can barely see the sugar. Now let's set our blackberry mixture aside by pouring in a greased baking dish. And after that, we'll grab another bowl and whisk in 1 cup of AP flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now we can cut in our 6 tablespoons of cold butter until the mixture reassembles coarse crumbs. And once that's done, stir in half a cup of milk until just combined. Now let's drop spoonfuls of dough over the blackberries and sprinkle with additional sugar. Then bake in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Also, if you're wondering how to say blackberry cobbler in Spanish, it's cobbler de mora. Alright, the cobbler is done. I'm gonna try it now and I won't cap. This is amazing. This cobbler really isn't too sweet and the topping really tastes like you're eating a biscuit. These blackberries really give this cobbler a nice tart flavor. Lots of people have never really heard of blackberry cobbler, but since it's berry season again, I just made up this recipe. It's kinda hard to say which one's better, blackberry cobbler or peach cobbler. I'll probably say blackberry cobbler because it's less sugar and I'm actually using fresh blackberries.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!